Okay, so today we are going to learn how to rotate a figure about a point. So the first thing that you need to do is just draw a line from point P to one of the points on the figure. So let's draw a point from A to P. And then our instructions say that we're going to rotate it 30 degrees. So the next thing I do is I put the center right here on the point P. There's a little indentation. And I make that dotted line on my compass go straight across and line up with A. And then I'm going to use the compass to find 30 degrees. On this compass, it's on the inside and it's about right there. So I'll just do a little mark, and then I will make another red line, which makes the 30-degree angle right here. And my final step to get my A prime is I could use my ruler or I could use a compass. I'm just going to measure the distance from point P to A right here, and then mark a little arc over on my other red line, and then draw a new point, which is going to be A prime. So we're going to do the same thing now with some of the other points. So just to make it easier to see, I'm going to use blue for line B. Gonna just draw a straight line between my point and B in blue. Then again use my compass with the indentation on point P, and the dotted line is gonna line up with my blue line right here. Then I'm gonna come over to the inside of the compass and mark a point at that 30-degree mark. Shift my compass over, draw my other blue line right here, and then my last step again is measuring the length of B. I can put my compass down here, mark it on B right here, come over and mark the same thing on B, and then that is my B prime point right here. You just have one more line to draw. So let's go over and make our line for C. Alright, we'll line up our compass right here. Mark 30 degrees, which is about here. Draw my other green line. And then another way that you could just use this if you want to measure the distance, you can start at 0 and goes to about right here, which is 2 lines below 1.5 inches. Then I can rotate it over here, make sure I'm on my point, and go 2 marks below 1.5 inches, and then that is my C prime. And then the last step you would need to do is go ahead and connect all your dots to make the image. So that's how you do that one. Number 4 will be similar. P is just or number 5 is just a little bit different, so maybe I'll help you out with that one. Since we're rotating around point P, which is actually on the figure right here, P and P prime are going to be the same thing. And then let's make our red distance between here, P and G. So that's my original line, and I'm looking for a rotation of 150 degrees. So I can go ahead and line up my original line. And then when I come over 150 degrees, I'm going to mark it about right here. Then I would draw my red line like that. And then I just need to measure the distance. I guess we can go back to the compass. The distance is right here, more or less. And I swing it around and just mark my arc. And so that is my G prime right here. Maybe we'll look at one more of those. So let's do our line from F to P right here. Then we can line it up. Here's your indentation, and we're following the dotted line right along here. We come over to 150 degrees and mark it right here. Go ahead and make your line. And then we're just measuring the distance from P to F. So I have it set right there. Maybe I'll twist my paper this time. Make my arc. And then this would be my F prime. Then you guys can go ahead and do the last one, which is going to be this distance right here, and finish that up along with number 4. Once you get that finished, then you can go ahead and turn your paper. Actually, just keep your paper for Tuesday. We will grade some of those on Tuesday, and you can work on your ALEKS quiz and take that till you get 100%. If you finish with that, then just go ahead and keep working on your ALEKS Pi. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.